So hey buddies, hope you all are great. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can get NordVPN premium version for free, 3 months absolutely free of cost. What's the process and how you can get this offer? So you see this, these are all the offers. So for this, what you have to do is, so you have to go to your LinkedIn and there you will find this option try premium for free. If you already have activated the LinkedIn premium, then there is no need to activate it again. You will get it with this plan. And for those users who don't want to spend money but they want to access the premium version of NordVPN, then what you can do, you see this LinkedIn is giving you premium version free for 1 month. So what you can do, you just have to take the LinkedIn premium for 1 month, which is absolutely free of cost. So you don't have to pay any money. And after your premium will be activated, you will get this option premium and features. So you have to simply click on this and you will be redirected to this page. So LinkedIn is providing you this offer. So once you get the LinkedIn premium, you can just avail 3 months of YouTube premium, 1 year livable, 4 months of Headspace, 3 months Notion and 3 months NordVPN. You can redeem all of these offers. Absolutely a great deal. Don't miss this offer. And if you have doubt like after my free LinkedIn premium version will be expired after 1 month, will this plans will stay or not? This will stay. After you redeem this plan will stay for 3 months. Same. So even if you have cancelled your LinkedIn premium, this plans will stay. So I hope you like this video and this video has helped you to save some money. If yes, then you can give this video a like and do subscribe this channel. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.